Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the Google Widget on your home screen. This gets you directly into customization. Once the widget sits where you want it, tap to open the editor so you can change layout and behavior. Make sure to pick the correct widget size first, because many options become available only after placement. You're doing this now to avoid back-and-forth resizing later. After placement, select the configuration icon to access voice, shortcuts, theme, and data settings that control appearance and function. Now adjust visual and content settings to match your workflow. You can change theme to light, dark, or automatic so the widget blends with your wallpaper. Transparency lets content show through, which reduces visual clutter. Next, choose the search bar shape and icon set for clarity and tap shortcuts to add voice search, discover, or quick actions. Make sure personalized suggestions and sync are configured. Enabling them improves relevance, but uses account data. Once set, preview the widget and confirm changes. Finish by saving and then exercising each feature. Say OK Google, run a quick search, and open every shortcut to verify behavior. If the widget doesn't reflect changes, force close the Google app and reopen. Once done, check account sync and permissions. Make sure the app has permission for microphone and background data. If issues persist, clear the widget or app cache or reinstall the Google app to reset configurations. One key tip: rebooting the device often resolves lingering UI glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.